guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Merlyn Shilenge and you are welcome. So basically, I just filled in my brows with a dark colored, like a brown eyeshadow. So I lightly filled in my brows, and now I took my concealer and I'm lining right underneath my brow. Okay, so now I'm literally just going to be underlining underneath my brows. I think I said that, but then I have a brow tutorial, so if you're interested in how I do my brows, you can definitely check that out. So I'm just blending out the concealer on my lid because I'm going to be using that as a base for my eyeshadow. So yeah guys, that's about it. Blend, fix. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking an orange shade and I'm going to be using that orange eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying it on my crease. And my mic picks up everything. I don't know why, but it picks up literally everything. So now I'm going to be taking my concealer and I'm literally going to be placing it underneath my eyes, my nose bridge, my forehead, my chin. Yeah, the basic area, guys. So I don't apply foundation first because it's hot and I don't want a lot of product on my face. So the technique that I'm doing with my brows right on top, I do not suggest it. Please use a foundation, not a concealer, because it's going to be so hard to blend. Now I'm just taking my flat foundation brush and I'm literally just blending out that concealer. Now I'm going to be taking my Essence 16-hour all day foundation and I'm literally going to be applying it everywhere where I did not apply the concealer. So which means on the sides of my face, my forehead, above my chin, above my lip, yes. And during that I'm just going to be blending out my concealer right underneath my eyes, making sure that everything is evenly blended. You guys, we need everything to be blended out perfectly. Now I'm going to be blending out the foundation, making sure that I cover every area that I did not apply the concealer. Just blend, and that's basically it, you guys. You can use beauty sponge, but I wanted like more coverage, that's why I used my brush. Now I'm going to be jumping into my setting palette, and this is the Beauty Treats palette, and I'm using those two shades that I showed you before, and literally just taking a flat brush and I'm going to be applying that on my chin, underneath my eyes, actually everywhere I applied the concealer. I'm just going to be setting those areas because I don't want my makeup to be moving around, and I try to use like natural colors because I'm trying to like achieve somewhat natural makeup look. Even though it's makeup, there's no way that it can be natural. Okay, now I'm taking my face powder, which is the Avon face powder, I think, and I'm literally just contouring my nose because you can't use a dark brown or anything dark on your nose because it's just gonna look muddy and bad. Yeah, now I'm taking my bronzer from that same Beauty Treats palette and I'm literally gonna be bronzing up my face. I apply the bronzer on, I do that fishy face, so where my contour is supposed to go, that's where I'm actually going to be applying the bronzer, and on my forehead, because as you can see, we're trying to match that hairline to the face. Now I'm taking a brown shade and I'm lining my eyes with it. Okay, this gives me a more natural look than eyeliner, so I do this technique, but sometimes I use eyeliner. Taking some water, literally this will save your life. taking some water and setting my face. This makes sure the makeup lasts longer and it doesn't transfer. And then I'm taking a nude lippy. I'm just applying it on my lips, and then I'm gonna line it with some brown eyeshadow since I don't have a lip liner. If you do have a lip liner, please use that. Do not waste your time on this, okay? And now I'm taking my somewhat pinkish bronzer, no, highlighter, and I'm literally applying that on the side of my cheekbones, my nose bridge, the tip of my nose actually, and my nose bridge. The thing about black people here is it doesn't lay flat. It doesn't lay flat. It don't go down. This is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I know I've been MIA lately, but I've been busy with school, so I hope you guys understand that, and I hope you guys enjoy this simple makeup. Look, honey, it's matching. Oof.